Yo, what's up? It's your boy, it's the boy, it's that boy named Dyna. Back at it again with another mother loving video. Hey. So this video is a little different. It's gonna be we're going to the fair. So we're about to do a fair mukbang. We're about to eat everything that you can eat at a fair. I'm excited because today's the last day of the fair. So I look forward to this every year, to going to go eat and have fun. Okay, what are you guys excited about? These guys are eating.
The corn.
Corn. Okay. Too long of a response. So yeah, we're about to drive there. Supposed to go check it out, and we're about to go have a lot of fun in this rainy conditions, but it's all good, right? All right, y'all, talk to y'all later. Bye. Yo, what's up? So we're at the fair finally. It seems kind of dead, but yeah, we're trying to figure out what we're gonna eat first. Actually, we're gonna go buy tickets first. Yeah, so we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat first. What should we go eat first, guys? No? Anybody? Let's find Aloe. We gotta find D'Lo first. Yo, shishka berries. Take a look, shishka berries. There, we haven't had that since Safeco. Alright, we're gonna go look for Aloe, and then yeah, we'll be on our merry way. Hey man, look, the rain stopped. Here. Alright, we'll catch you guys when we figure out what we're gonna eat first, okay? Alright. Yo, we're here. Earthquake burgers. That's the burgers we're gonna try. These guys already ate. Are you getting another one?
It's an 8-minute walk to
Come on. So I'm about to grab Earthquake burger, cause your boy's hungry. Hell yeah, I'm hungry. We're gonna get this Earthquake burger. Y'all, they got yo, let's make it a pound. Why? Earthquake. They got the cheese quake. They got the Swiss quake. What are we getting? How y'all leave me? Hey, we wanna get stupid. Yo,
this is a bad idea.
first item on the mukbang. This is Earthquake biggest burger with double meat and grilled onions. We're about to cut this up. We're about to cut this up and do a little sharing, because you know we're here with people. But yeah, the double. Ooh. Check it out. This is the burger. It is 30, and we just got a beef and cheese pierogi. Okay. So yeah. Wanna go down?
Whoa.
Here, Eve. You like onions?
Yeah.
It's okay. You better like onions, boy. Yo, let me know how this tastes. Oh, yum!
Oh, that's fire. Even the bread alone is hella good.
You know the salmon one? That one is their award-winning one.
The what?
The salmon one
Salmon and cream cheese.
is their award-winning one.
Oh, really? Have you tried it?
That's fire.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. How is it? How is it, boy?
Good.
Yo, I live for these burgers. Woo. Did you get a refill?
Yeah. Only certain places do the refill. But the refill's like 2 something.
Yo, we're going on that.
You guys like it?
Man, it's been like 3 years since
I feel like we didn't eat it last year. Yo, now to get in this pierogi.
Oh look, they got the lottery tickets here.
Yeah, they've been. Ooh, we shouldn't have cut it. All right.
Art. You brought it from the art.
Fire! Here. We'll try this together. Because they're cutting in 3 ways. It's gonna. It's not gonna happen today. Oh crap! Pull it! We don't need that cheese. It's me. What the hell? Damn nigga, what? It's our channel. Yo, how is it? I'm trying to get into it, but they're gone.
Are these the only things you guys ate? Those two? Okay.
Pierogi, baby. Look at all that meat, cheese. You're not falling on me today. Hell no. With the ketchup? Ooh.
Fire, man.
All right, we're gonna go check out some other stuff. Might get into onto some of these rides, but yeah. Yo, so we got some caramel apples. Shout out to Woman's Friend with the caramel apple. We got a person in the viewfinder. Yo, this.
I like the. Have you had the red one? The candy? No, I've always tried to find it here, but I don't think anyone has it. Oh, I like it. I mean, I don't remember having it here. I had it. I had it in Hawaii a long time ago. That's so ugly. Where's your heat? Nigga, he say, oh, sorry, I didn't mean sorry, nigga. I meant to say, like, this nigga is freaking dead and waiting for Halloween. Oh, sorry, you go tell him you're over here. Yeah, he waited for you at the bathroom.
That's like, look at that. That's the smallest bite.
No, but,
Like, who's it?
You took a whole half.
remember thing, it's 'cause,
Hello, I'm being cautious of my teeth too.
Because of the ice cream, because she doesn't have the soft serve one. She has like the bars of ice cream. Huh? She has you know the magnet.
Oh,
She has that.
those are good. Oh, go grab it.
Yeah, I think this will be so better.
We cut it.
Chop.
Okay.
I know, because
It's like,
usually
man,
they cut mine.
when you get into the middle, it's like nothing.
Right there.
Like, damn, man, they ate all the apples.
Oh, shit.
That looks hectic.
Is that, they go around, they have a
This is like fall.
what's the best apples for that?
I like green apples
An apple, like,
because they're sour or
Granny
sweet.
Smith apple.
well, my favorite apples with caramel is yellow apples. So
Like the Fuji
they're
apple?
sweet. They're not sour.
Look at it. The wheels are on.
It's a shame. Is it Seattle flag? The
wheel
customer
ball.
was like, No, but the apple is hella good. I can do it without my knife, but
Can you give me a apple? He has a knife.
Sure.
My mouth is filled with caramel. And everywhere.
I know that's
You got some lipstick on it.
Oh man, stop.
On to the next one. Yo, what's up? So, we're here at Fiesta Bar, about to get this
I
corn.
was getting $7 for 21 flavors.
Yeah, literally, it's 21 flavors. So that's, I'm getting the zombie, which is all the flavors, okay? What you getting? Hot Cheeto Puffs?
Look, they got Pop Rocks on your corn. Number 21.
Oh no!
They got Fruity Pebbles. That's what I'm saying.
Wait, so the zombie is literally everything on it?
Pop rocks, nerds, all these.
Oh hell no! I'll do it, but I know she's not gonna do them.
I'm not eating it. I'll just go bite.
Okay, yeah, I'm going all in. Okay, we're about to get all these flavors on here. 21 flavors
For $7.
for $7. You choose whatever
It's
you
so good,
want.
make you want to smack your own mama.
Auntie hooking them up right now. All right, broke them up kind of. Chee. Auntie already know.
Taim.
Yo, shout out to Fiesta Bar. I'm going all in, Auntie. Zombie. Give me the zombie, Auntie.
You like the zombie?
Pretty soon after. Yes. What you getting?
Oh, you want to order?
No, he getting yeah. You just tell him. Getting hot Cheetos and Taki. Hot Cheetos and Cheeto.
Zombie.
Yeah, zombie brothers. Oh, I should have told you put more mayo. I like a lot of mayo. Oh, switch them then. Yeah, that can be mine. Go, stand over there. That can be yours.
How about you, sir?
No, that's mine. I'm getting the zombie.
Yeah.
Oh no, you gotta order here and then get the corn.
Order here, hon. Oh, here. Yeah. 1, 2.
What?
That'll be $7.
What's that on
Mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese. Mac salad.
Zombie. Hey, so what we got there?
We got the bacon bits,
Bacon
we
bits.
got the tahini, we got
Okay.
the regular Funyuns,
All
we
right.
got the cheddar sour cream ruffles,
Y'all.
we got the Doritos salsa verde.
Double crunch ruffles.
Yeah, the buffalo wing,
Dill pickle lays.
dill pickle,
And then the barbecue.
got the regular Cheetos,
Hey, we about to go around. Oh,
we got the hot Funyuns,
hot onions.
we got the Takis,
Oh, sabirdones.
Regular hot Cheetos and fine hot Cheetos. Wow.
Yes, sir. There we have it. This one don't have the nerds and stuff on it.
Save it for me.
Yo, we got the zombie. That's all the chips. Who wants to get it?
Let me bite this one.
Hold on. Can we try it first?
Wait, Uncle, come on.
Can I try it first for the page? Dang.
Nobody's gonna know.
Nigga.
Fire. Yeah, let me try.
Yo, this is fire. Shout out, guys. Thank you. Hey, dab on them. Yo, this is fire. Yo, the zombie is slow bomb.
When?
Zombie?
This looks
No, it's actually good. I'm not really a fan. I actually love it. This spot is the best place to get corn from. And over here, we're the only spot that gives you more than just the hot Cheetos. What did you get?
How's yours? Oh, so good, the kind. It actually looks like hella covered. That's what I love about it. The zombie is fire, huh?
Yeah.
What is this? Try the cheese one. Hella bomb. It's
What'd you get, Wilma?
huh? The buffalo wings, the crunch, the ruffles, and the turkeys.
I want another one.
Jahim, what'd you get? Hot Cheeto and onions.
This has hot Cheeto Funyuns on it. Hot Funyuns. And the regular Funyuns.
No, but last night they had like all different kinds of hot sauce on the side. They used to put hot sauce.
Bro,
Fire.
now I'm gonna experiment. But I get this corn game. Look at her go. That's my VP. Hey. All right, y'all. All right, man. I got a surprise for y'all today. Y'all, oh damn it. Come on, E, get it together. I don't know, cause yo, I got a surprise for you. Stay tuned, right? Stay tuned. Yo, when I tell you guys I got a surprise for y'all, bruh, I got a surprise for y'all. Look at these corn dogs, man. They're over a foot long. These are over a foot long corn dogs, bruh. Holy Jesus. We finna get in. Bruh, oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yo, shout out to Shani. Thank you. Last day of the fair. Hey. Hi. Okay. All right. About to get it in. E, come grab the drinks. Yo, I want to take a bite of this. Yo. Okay, hold on to this. I'm about to bite into this real quick. Watch out. Yo, about to bite into this. Bruh. Holy moly. Dude, look at this. Wilma. This is when Wilma knew she messed up. Yeah, where's E? It's a Polish hot dog. I was just drinking one mama. I was drinking empty. Yeah. Wait. Sorry. You don't want? Okay, no problem. Yo, so it is dark. We just got done playing some games. I ended up eating corn again, another zombie corn. Picked up an elephant ear and some hot Cheeto fries. It should be very good. I'm feeling kind of full right now, but hey, so that was. Woo-hoo. So yeah, we're about to go meet up with the rest of the family. They are getting another pierogi. You know, pierogi is very good for you. Let's get it, pierogi. Yeah, so kind of thirsty too.
Word in my face. I'm like, what the hell? I got him right there.
Where? Oh, what a creep! Look at that creeper right there. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that creep! Get away from us! Rape! All right, we'll catch you guys when we're about to eat this and the rest of our food. Yeah, we're about to, I think, end it for now. We got a little bit more tickets left, so probably go throw more rings. Okay. All right. Peace, y'all. Ready, Uncle? Yo, are you ready? Listen.
You need a microphone for all that ASMR.
Yo, so I'm about to try this. It's okay. Yeah, it's alright. Not the best, but it's okay.
I don't feel
Sounds like you're hacking.
The fries, it would have been better with the fries fry.
No, it would have been hella good with the waffle fry.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, so we're ending it here. I forgot to show you guys what else I got. This is one of my other foods that I forgot to show you. This is like a must. Okay, it's Fisher's Bear Scones and it's pretty bomb. But yeah, we're ending the night. This is it right here. A little scone, scone, scone. Alright, we're ending the night. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. You know when I upload videos. You know what I'm saying?
Somebody's throwing up in the bathroom and it's all over the floor.
Oh yeah. So you guys hear that? Somebody's throwing up in the bathroom, and yeah, don't
Like they're
forget
sitting on the toilet, but they're throwing they're sitting on the toilet, but they're throwing up right there.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? And subscribe to the guy that's doing the two-way outro. All right. And we out. And we're out.